By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use today's most powerful AI tools to create content, build digital products, and even automate parts of your business. This isn't just theory. I'll show you step-by-step how to turn AI into your ultimate advantage, whether you're building a side hustle, scaling a business, or looking for ways to work less and earn more. Stick with me. The strategies I'm about to share can change the way you work forever. Welcome to Shane's AI Wealth Collective, where ambitious creators and entrepreneurs learn to harness AI to build wealth, automate workflows, and create more freedom in their lives. If you haven't yet, take a quick moment to subscribe. It's the fastest way to make sure you get notified the instant we post new videos packed with actionable tips, strategies, and tools you can start using today. By subscribing, you're not just following a channel, you're joining a movement to stay ahead of the curve. Welcome to the community. You are here at a very special moment in history. At the time of this recording, we are standing at the forefront of a digital revolution, a moment in time when everyday people are gaining access to tools that were once reserved for research labs, high-budget corporations, and science fiction movies. It's exciting, right? Type "ready" in the chat if you're ready to be part of this revolution. The possibilities are limitless. We now have the power to create entire businesses, design digital products, generate professional images, and even build AI-powered avatars that can speak, teach, and represent us online. And the best part? These tools are available to you right now. Today I'm going to introduce you to a set of essential AI tools, explain what prompting is, and show you how becoming comfortable with these tools will dramatically accelerate your ability to achieve your goals. Let's start with prompting, because it's the key skill that ties everything together. Prompting is the process of giving instructions to an AI in a way that produces the results you want. Think of it like giving directions to a chef in your kitchen. If you just say, "Make me something good," you might get something tasty, but it may not be exactly what you had in mind. But if you say, "Make me a medium rare steak with garlic butter, sautéed spinach, and roasted potatoes," the chef can deliver exactly what you're imagining. The AI is your chef. Your prompt is the recipe. The better you get at describing what you want, the better the AI becomes at delivering it. If that analogy makes sense, type "got it" in the chat. Now let's connect prompting to real outcomes. When you master prompting and combine it with the right tools, you can create ebooks, training courses, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, custom images for marketing, or even an AI avatar that can take over parts of your workload. This means you can scale your creativity, save time, and expand your reach, even if you're just one person. First, OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's one of the most versatile AI assistants you can use. You can brainstorm business ideas, draft sales copy, write step-by-step instructions, or have it review and refine your work. If you're creating digital products, ChatGPT can help you outline, write, and format your content faster than you ever thought possible. Type ChatGPT in the chat if you've tried it before. Next is Claude AI, built by Anthropic. Claude is especially good at understanding context, giving thoughtful, structured answers, and working with long documents. If you have a large script, a full book draft, or a set of detailed notes, Claude can process them and help you refine the content without losing the tone or meaning. Then there's DeepSeek. This one is fast, it's free, and it's great for quick prompt testing. You can throw an idea at DeepSeek, get results in seconds, and then move on to another AI to refine them. If you're hearing about DeepSeek for the first time, type "new" in the chat. Now here's a smart strategy, especially for those bootstrapping their AI journey. Most free AI tools have daily or monthly usage limits. That means if you rely on just one, you might find yourself locked out for hours when you hit the limit. By setting up accounts with all three, ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek, you can stack your access. When you reach the cap on one platform, switch to the next, and then the next. This way, you keep your momentum going, and avoid the stop and start frustration that can slow down your learning curve. It's a simple, free method to triple your available prompt time without spending a cent. Type "smart" in the chat if you think this is a clever workaround. Next, let's talk about 11 Labs. This is your go-to tool for creating realistic voiceovers. You can use it to narrate your videos, give your AI avatar a natural voice, or even produce an audiobook version of your written work. The voices are so lifelike that your audience won't know it's AI, and you can use your own cloned voice if you want that personal connection. Now for productivity and organization, Google Workspace is your foundation. It's more than email. It's your cloud storage, document editor, presentation builder, and collaborative workspace all in one. You can use Google Docs to store your best prompts, Google Sheets to track your content ideas, and Google Drive to keep all your AI-generated scripts, images, and videos in one place. If you already use Google Drive for your projects, type Drive in the chat. While we're talking about productivity, I have to recommend Bitwarden. It's a secure password manager that stores all your login details for the dozens of AI tools you'll be using. The last thing you want is to lose creative flow because you can't remember a password. With Bitwarden you can log in instantly, and it keeps your account secure while cutting down the time you spend hunting for credentials. Finally, let's talk about prompt mastery. The first step is to set up a prompt library, a central place where you store the prompts that worked well for you. This way, you don't have to start from scratch every time. The second step is to develop a prompt testing routine. Take one idea and run it through ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek. Compare the results and see which AI delivers the style, tone, and accuracy you want. Over time, you'll learn which tool is best for each type of task, and you'll become faster and more effective at getting exactly what you want. If you're excited to start your own prompt library, type library in the chat. The beauty of all this is that you're learning these skills at the exact moment in history when they're most valuable. Right now, very few people truly understand how to leverage AI to create and scale their ideas. But you're here, learning, experimenting, and building the foundation for something powerful. Whether you want to create a digital product, design images for your business or YouTube channel, or set up an AI avatar to represent you and interact with your audience, the tools and strategies you've just heard about will help you get there faster. You're not just learning software, you're developing a creative advantage that will set you apart in a world that's moving toward automation and personalization at lightning speed. So here's your next step. Pick one tool from the list, sign up, explore it, and try creating something simple. Add it to your prompt library. Tomorrow try another tool. Within a week you'll not only know how to use each one, but you'll also start to see how they connect into a seamless workflow that can turn your ideas into reality. Before you go, click the link in the description to join our school community, Shane's AI Wealth Collective. Inside, you'll connect with friendly, enthusiastic learners mastering AI together. You'll have access to resources, feedback, and guidance that can save you months of trial and error. Don't just watch others succeed. Join us today and start building your AI-powered future with a community that has your back every step of the way.